All right, guys, we just finished up this 2021 1500 AT4. Did the 7 to 9 inch McGaughys. Went with the Cognito upper control arms as the McGaughys are currently unavailable. It's all done in neon yellow and a midnight blue by Prismatic Powders. The accents here were disassembled and done in the midnight blue, almost black in person. And then the reverse on the front cross member, midnight blue with the neon yellow accents. This color almost glows in the dark. It is a very bright color. Obviously not for everyone, but adds a cool look. On the wheels and tires, we did a 37 1350 24 Nitto Ridge Grappler, 24 by 14 TIS. I think these are the 554 concave wheels. With this size wheel and tire on a GMC, you will need to do a good bit of clearancing. We moved the bumper forward 3/4 of an inch, cut the bottom corner of the bumper, and then shaved all the plastic. Now on the back of the fender, shaved the plastic, removed the internal support, added a mud flap delete, but then also had to trim that along with the sheet metal that would normally be here. So you're gonna have to commit to this size wheel and tire on a GMC. We also did the power steps. And we went with the Airlift 5000 bags. And of course with this size lift, you do have to do a spacer extension so that it will reach. And we also went with the onboard compressor. It's got a wireless remote in the truck so you can air up and down as you need. And this is a very, very cool looking truck. And as always, guys, subscribe and stay tuned for more.